Hbar family, Hbar army. Right now, I have some massive news for all of you that own Hedera Hbar because NASDAQ has just filed for a 19B4, and this is to list and trade a grayscale Hedera Hbar ETF. And this is breaking news because Grayscale's Hbar ETF is big because now BlackRock is also rumored to launch an iShares Hbar trust called Hbar. Yes, Hbar will have an Hbar trust by BlackRock. And this is a rumor, but there are a lot of connections between BlackRock and Hedera Hbar. Right here, as you can tell, BlackRock, Fidelity, State Street are all connected to Hedera Hbar. And I'm going to show you this connection right here because you all know that BlackRock basically owns everything and they're going to own Hedera Hbar in their portfolio as well. BlackRock definitely wants a piece of Hbar, and this is huge for Hedera Hbar. Yes, Grayscale is next in line to push for Hedera Hbar ETF. And the NASDAQ stock market has just now filed for a 19B4 for the product. Now, Grayscale joins Canary Capital to push an Hbar ETF. And if approved, the Hbar ETF product will trade on the NASDAQ exchange. And Grayscale manages over $40 billion and is a leading cryptocurrency fund. This is very big news, everyone. This right now, if you own Hedera Hbar, destroy the like button, subscribe, join us because there are so many things that are coming out in the next few days and weeks, and I will keep you all updated every single day. So subscribe real quick. And now I'm going to show you this video right here. This guy is the CEO of Canary Capital. Canary Capital also has an Hbar ETF application. Now, this is the CEO of Canary Capital, and he was asked about the Hbar ETF. Yes, literally, he was asked, this guy asked him about the Hbar ETF, and listen to his response. So this is big.
Now, I imagine there are a lot of supporters in this audience and listening in online as well that really want to see the Hbar ETF on NASDAQ be an enormous success. How can we help? What's the call to action to each one of us?
Yeah, just stay up with the news. I'm not allowed to tell you to buy anything right now because it's I'm just not allowed to do that. But
he's not allowed to tell you to buy anything. Like, that is the most clear buy signal if I heard one. Like, him saying I'm not allowed to tell you to buy makes me so bullish. But
yeah, just stay up on the news. You know what's going to happen soon though is hopefully the SEC accepts the 19B4. You've probably seen the news of some of the other crypto ETFs where a couple of times they've been rejected, then they've been accepted.
Now, there was an amended filing. What does that usually mean when there's an amended S1?
It just means that we're putting some more information in there. That's all, you know. Can't really talk too much about that. But
big things are coming with Hbar. And imagine, once this Hbar ETF is approved and is listed on NASDAQ and is officially traded on NASDAQ, so much institutional capital can flow into Hedera Hbar, and they can easily buy Hbar on the traditional stock market. So it will make it so much easier for people to buy Hbar, and that's why this is a big deal, everyone. And also, BlackRock literally wants to potentially list an Hbar trust called Hbar. Now, speaking about BlackRock, let us take a look at how Hbar is also connected to BlackRock in other ways, and Fidelity and State Street. Yes, 3 of the largest hedge fund managers in the world are all connected to Hedera Hbar. Now, let me show you how. So first, Aberdeen and Arcax. They are 2 companies that are connected to Hedera Hbar. Aberdeen is a governing council member of Hbar. So Aberdeen becomes the #1 shareholder of Arcax in August of 2022. Aberdeen joins the Hedera Council in October of 2022, and then Aberdeen and Arcax basically tokenize their funds onto Hedera Hbar. And these institutions, BlackRock, Fidelity, and State Street, all are connected to Aberdeen and Arcax. Now, also, Aberdeen and BlackRock are connected in many ways. They hire from each other. So BlackRock hired an Aberdeen manager to replace an income veteran. Yeah, so this is big because if BlackRock is hiring from Aberdeen and Arcax tokenized funds are connected to BlackRock, Fidelity, and State Street. Like, so for example, if you go on the official website of Arcax right here, they have a BlackRock US Treasury Fund, and the minimum investment to invest in this is $5,000. So they are literally connected to BlackRock and some of the largest funds in the world, including Fidelity and State Street. So this is big, everyone. If you own Hedera HBAR, also right now there is some big news with Hedera HBAR and Fort Knox. Yes, Fort Knox is a huge facility here in the United States that holds over 5,000 tons of gold. And there are rumors that there is a connection between HBAR and Fort Knox that will make Hedera the biggest crypto network on Earth. This is big. And this is a rumor. And the person that posted about this is this guy right here. He literally works with the Digital Euro Foundation, the World Economic Forum right here, as you can tell. So this guy has some big connections, and he's speaking about this like it's true. So there is some big news that could be coming out with Fort Knox and HBAR in the next few days and weeks, and I will keep you all updated every single day. So again, join us real quick, subscribe if you have not yet already. But so far, this guy says, I am not allowed to speak about this until after some important event in March, but it's massive. So a big event in March is taking place, and that's when it will be shared. All I can say is thanks to Eric Trump and Donald J. Trump Jr. for revolutionizing this industry. Blockchain versus Hedera hash graph. So this person that just posted about this obviously knows something, and something big could be happening in the next few days. And Hedera HBAR has just been adopted by Swift. Yes, Swift has adopted Hedera HBAR's tech across 3 continents. Swift made a groundbreaking announcement. It confirmed plans to integrate Hedera's cutting-edge technology across North America, Europe, and Asia for financial transactions. And this is a game-changing move. A few days ago at HederaCon, Swift made a major announcement, and here's why this is game-changing. Firstly, Swift moves a lot of currency, about $150 trillion annually, which is 400 billion per day. That's more than most countries' GDPs combined. It's the backbone of international banking, so their involvement is a huge deal. A proof of concept is coming to Hedera HBAR. Yes, Swift, the global financial messaging network, has been testing Hedera's tech behind the scenes. These proof of concepts are like trial runs to prove that the system can handle real mission critical financial tasks at global scale. Success here means that Hedera is ready for the big leagues. So after these tests, if they are successful, then big things are coming, and live trials that are coming in 2025 with banks in North America, Europe, and Asia starting next year. Swift will roll out Hedera's technology with actual banks across 3 continents. This is real transactions with real players, showing confidence in Hedera's ability to scale globally. Swift choosing Hedera isn't just a pat on the back, it's a stamp of approval from an institution banks worldwide rely on. This trust could make Hedera a go to for other big financial players too. So that is why this announcement with Swift and Hedera is absolutely huge, everyone. And right now, HBAR is just consolidating before the next leg up. Yes, as you can tell, this is the all-time chart of Hedera HBAR, and what is really interesting is that right now we are making the exact same pattern as we did down here back in 2021. We pumped a lot, we came back down, and before the next leg up. Now, we did go all the way back down, and I hated that. I hated seeing H bar at 4 cents, but looking back now, that was a perfect time to buy it. But, anyways, now here we are all the way up here, right? We pumped, just like we did back here in 2021. We pumped up a lot, came back down before the next leg up. So now we pumped a lot. We are coming back down, hopefully, before the next leg up. I believe we can easily see 50 cents to $1 in the next few months. And that can happen very soon. Right now, Hedera H bar at 22 cents could double, triple within a few weeks. And I'm not over exaggerating. A lot of big things are coming up. So that's why I say join us, subscribe, and I will keep you all updated every single day. I love you all, and I will see you very soon. Until next time, Crypto AI Man.